Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, that is Sole Trader. So, let's begin. What do you mean by sole trader? Sole means single and trader means person who are involved in buying and selling of goods and services. So, sole trader is a person who carries on business only for himself. Is it clear? कोई भी अगर पर्सन अकेले बिजनेस चलाता है then he is called as sole trader. He arranges finance for the business himself only. He bears all the risk and he shares and he gets all the profit and he acquires all the profit himself only. He is not bound to share his profit with some other people. So, a sole trader is a person who carries on business exclusively for himself. He also establishes the business, खुद से business setup करता है, arranges its finance, manages its affairs and bears all its risk. He acts both as the owner and manager of the business. Like he is the owner also because he is establishing the business himself, and as the manager also because he is managing his business himself. Okay. Next come to the, you can say sole trader is a one man show because he is only a manager and he is only a owner. Characteristics of sole trader. The first characteristic is single ownership. You know that a sole proprietorship is completely owned by a single person. जो भी मालिक होगा वो उसी का होगा. That is why it is called as single ownership. Total capital is, you can say, whatever capital they are involving it in their business, it is all brought up by the proprietor himself. Next is one man control. The proprietor, the owner himself takes all the decisions regarding the business. He is not bound to consult it with anybody, and whatever he wants to do, whatever controls he wants to establish, it is in his own hand only. Next is your no legal entity. A sole proprietor has no legal identity separate from its owner. मतलब आपके बिजनेस का कोई अलग सा पहचान नहीं होता है आपके ओनर के अलावा. If your owner dies, your business cannot continue. It will also be dissolved. Is it clear? So यहाँ पे बिजनेस और प्रोप्राइटर दोनों सेम है, वन एंड द सिंगल पर्सन. Unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means if the proprietor is unable to pay off his or her debt, then his personal property will also be attached to pay off its debt. अगर वो नहीं पे कर पा रहा है डेब्ट, तो उसका खुद का जो पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी है उससे को भी बेचा जा सकता है उसके डेब्ट्स को क्लियर करने के लिए. नो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग. Sole proprietor does not share profit with anybody else. Whatever profit he is getting, he will keep it with himself only. And whatever losses he is incurring, it will also be with him only. Next is small size. Sole proprietor is a very small form of business because it requires limited capital and also it does not require that much managerial abilities, and you know that its area of operation is also very limited, so that is why it is of a small size. Next is no legal formalities. To start up a sole proprietorship or to manage or dissolve a sole proprietorship, no legal formalities is to be put up, or no you can say legal formalities are to be done. Now, so we'll study this much only in this chapter. After that, you have to study about objectives, merits and demerits of sole proprietorship. That's all for today. Thank you.